In this video, I'll show you how to download your Wix website files directly to your computer. Start by opening the Wix editor and clicking Publish. This makes sure your latest updates are live. Next, head over to the live version of your site by typing in your site's URL. Once the page loads, right-click on any empty area of the page. Avoid clicking on images or text. From the menu that appears, select Save As. Choose a location on your computer, like your desktop or a project folder, then hit Save. Here's what happens. Your computer will download an HTML file of the page along with a folder containing the images used on it. Together, these give you a snapshot of your website, both the layout and the visuals. Keep in mind, this download isn't the full Wix project, but it's a convenient way to keep a copy of your site's pages or reuse the images outside Wix. If you make updates to your site later, you'll need to repeat the process to keep your files current. And that's it! You've now saved your Wix website files in just a few clicks.